Make diffusing essential oils an adventure with 2 diffusers just for kids, Dino Land and Dolphin Reef. These new models will help your kids learn how to use essential oils properly while having some kid-friendly fun. The Dino Land diffuser takes kids back to when dinosaurs roamed the earth, combining playful design and simple controls into a prehistoric diffusing volcano. Let them choose their diffusion setting, pick a favorite light color, and slumber in the soft glow of the adjustable nightlight. When your kids are ready for an aquatic change of pace, create an entirely new experience with the Dolphin Reef cover. Simply remove Dino Land, snap the Dolphin Reef into place, and enjoy a delightful ocean scene. The same great features apply to the Dolphin Reef cover, including variable light options and adjustable diffusion. It's easy to add water and essential oils to the Dino Land diffuser. Simply turn off the unit, carefully remove the cover, and set it aside. Lift the lid from the motor to add water first. And then add your child's favorite essential oil, being careful not to pass the max fill line. Reinstall the lid, making sure to wipe away any excess water. Replace the cover of the unit by pressing it firmly onto the motor, and then press the on button to begin diffusing. Press once to enter green mode, where the diffuser will run continuously. Press twice to enter red mode, a 10-minute on and off cycle. The unit will shut off automatically when it runs out of water. The Dino Land diffuser comes with adjustable night lights. Let your child light up the volcano with a favorite color at bedtime to give the vapor a comforting glow. Cycle through the colors or turn off the vapor light by pressing the light button. You can also turn off the glowing lights at the bottom of the unit if desired. Press and hold the light button for 3 seconds to turn the lights on or off. Want the security of the nightlight without any diffusion? Simply adjust the unit settings to turn off the diffuser while keeping your child's favorite colored light on. And even though the diffuser turns off after running out of water, the light will stay on throughout the night. To keep the Dino Land diffuser running smoothly, be sure to maintain it regularly. After turning off the unit, remove the external cover and the lid from the motor. For extra safety, the unit automatically shuts off when the external cover is removed from the motor. Clean the ultrasonic plate with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Wipe down the motor reservoir and plastic parts with a gentle cleanser and a soft cloth. Be careful to prevent any liquid from entering the air vent or collecting on the electronic contact. Touching the electronic contacts inside the diffuser cover should always be avoided. Whether during the day or through the night, your children will love the Dino Land and Dolphin Reef diffuser options. These adventurous new diffusers give young users a fun new way to enjoy essential oils while still providing the same great young living experience that you've come to expect.